Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Tractor Supply store to do a store walkthrough. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. These beautiful hats are $26. Isn't that nice? Ooh, I like that. Really pretty. The rain boots, they are $19.99. They have a few different patterns here, as well as the solid colors. Well, the solid colors are $39.99. The print patterns are $19.99. And the shorter boots are $24.99. Which are going to be the ones up here. This one, the blue one, and this one. How cute is this one with the roosters? These tops goes from a size small to a 3X. This beautiful top is $21.99. I like that bow right there. And this one has the roll sleeves for $24.99. Okay. And this one is cute. This one is $29.99. I like the V-neck on this one. They have it in different colors. Okay. These rain jackets by Columbia. They're $78 in black and teal. Kids rain boots. They're $14.99. They also have the kids hats here by John Deere for $12.99. Oh, this one is $9.99. The green one is $9.99. And the pink one is $12.99. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay. Alrighty guys, they have a few pieces over here for the men. And we're gonna briefly go over a few of their clothing. These pants are $34.99. These are Blue Mountain. Okay. They also have it in the denim. They also have these cute tops here. These short sleeve tops. These are really nice and very well made by Blue Mountain. And these are $21.99. The long sleeves are $24.99. They have a few patterns here. Okay. Alrighty friends, we are walking in on a sale today. This all Blackstone grills and accessories, they are 10% off today. So this smoker, it is $500 before the 10% off. And the Red Shed items, they are 20% off. So everything we're looking at over here is by Red Shed, and it is 20% off. This coil spring chair, it is $130 before the 20% off. Nice. This 80-quart patio cooler is $200. Metal folding tables, they are $80 in blue, black, and green. They also have these carts. I don't see the price on the carts, but yes, they are here for 20% off. All the planters, guys, they are 20% off. Oh yeah. This one is so cute. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. And this one is $25. It is the iron with the cocoa liner planter. Yes, for $25. Okay, this whiskey barrel, guys, it is $17.99. These are $17.99. This blue one is $19.99. And I love everything about it. This 3-piece planter set is $25. Decorative hanging cocoa liner planter for $18. This double hanging colander for $25. So they have this one, which is a little bit smaller than this one. A 5x7 artificial grass, $25. 3x6 new plush is $25. This 70 by 27 elevated planter is $300. This zero gravity chair in the color navy is $60. Nice. Alrighty guys, the standard freezer dry 5 tray in black is $26.95. 48-inch belt drive drum fan is $500. Over here again, all red shed decor is 20% off. This welcome sign with the little chickens, they are so cute. Let's see. The original price is $13. Okay. The chicken silhouette is $10. This rooster sign is $10. This planter rooster red tail is $18. Oh my word, isn't that cute? They also have this one with a flat back for $20. All these beautiful steaks down here. This one is $10. And this one is the solar, $23. My little friend here is $17.99. How cute. And these are this one's $19.99. This one is $16. Okay. Yeah, guys, you get 20% off. So, hey, that is a great deal. Ooh, look at these planters over here. So, this is a 2-tier planter stand for $39.99. Really nice. This is the white 3-tier metal planter for $60. Mr. Rooster up here is $30. Cute, cute. These solar lanterns in black, white, and blue. They're $18. Ooh, I like these trays here. These 2-tier trays here. These are really cute for $25. All right, we have Peony Rose scented candle. And these are $19. Well, they're $20. The smaller ones are $12.99. This one is the rustic wood. Vanilla cupcake. Ooh, I think I want to smell that one. Oh, yeah. Smells really good. Alrighty. So, yeah, guys, they have the same ones in the smaller ones, which are $12.99. The larger ones are $19.99. Georges, feeling Georges. They are $12.99. This one is so cute. $12.99. Isn't that cute? This bench is $200. The original price. This red shed 3-person swing is $240. Oh, yes. So let's see what it says here. And look, guys, the original price was $329. Well, $330. 3-person swing with slat tables, sturdy frame for durability and comfort, weather-resistant, powder-coated finish, easy to assemble, integrated side tables with adjustable canopy, cushioned seat for ultimate comfort. Yeah, so that's a pretty good deal, guys. $240. Not bad at all. $90 for this windmill. Oh, yes. This large wagon wheel is $50. I have it in this wash color. And this one. Bless Our Kitchen sign. It is $14. So Many Reasons to Be Happy is $5.49. This piece is $10.99. This one is $13.99. for your recipes. I wonder if the trucks are on sale. Not sure about the trucks, guys. Okay, guys, this cast iron piece with the animals, it is $25. This one is the chicken bite planter for $25. Yes and yes. This cutie pie here, oh, it is so heavy. This one is the cast iron chicken decor. It is so heavy, guys. It is $13. Woo. Alrighty, fresh lemonade jar. This one is $16. Ceramic egg holder. This one is $13. These cutie pies here. It's the cast iron hen box, $10. Okay. The Love Your Flock and Fresh Eggs from Spoiled Hens, $19.99. Okay. We also have these smaller signs for $10. And look up here, guys. How beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can look at this all day. $30 for this one. 30 for both of them. Okay. Aren't they beautiful? Pillows. This one says market fresh, locally grown, fresh produce, daily delivery. $20. That one with the cherries. Nice. All right. So let's see what else we can find. These ceramic planters with the American flag, $23. This one has the little fan when the wind blows, connected to the chime. Well, that's neat. It says I am solar, and it is $25. And all of this noise, oh my goodness. But isn't that cute? I had to show it to you. I love that one. This 24-inch portable barrel fan is $150. These garden shoes, they are $20. But red is nice. We have it in this one, the sunflowers. This one. And the strawberry. We also have the sun hats for $15. Nice with the drawstring. Oh, this color is pretty too. Oh, yes. Black Flag Bug Zapper. Black-like technology attracts and kills 40% more insects. It is $60. Thermacell mosquito repellent is $40. The repellent refills, they're $20. Scent-free, no spray. This solar flag pole light, 2 white SMD LEDs, 60 lumens, up to 8 hours of runtime. They are $20. This igloo cooler, it is $100. And this lifetime cooler is $110. This one is a 5-gallon, and this one is a 25-quart. Outdoor picnic blanket for $20, and you can fold it up, guys, and it even have the Velcro to make it look like a little briefcase or something. So that's cute. The cornhole bags are $40. Okay, guys, they have these cute little bird feeders here. How cute. So this one, it says refill tall finch sock feeder for $18. This one is $20. This one and this one. And this one is $53. Nice. Bluebird house. Oh yes, this one is $26. This one is cute. Large red barn feeder for $23. General store, 25, has the open sign. How cute is that? Oh, they also have it in the white. Oh my goodness. Alrighty guys, this 30-second outdoor cleaner. Good for algae, mold, and mildew. $17.99 for a 2-quart size. This 1 gallon is $13. And the larger one, which is 2.5 gallons, for $20. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Tractor Supply store. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.